Hi children, welcome to all of you all. Now in the last lessons I have been doing about percentages, simple interest, percentage of profit and loss, cost price, all those things. Now today I want to go on to another topic which is on percentages, that is simple interest. Now what is simple interest? Simple interest means, now supposing you need some money. So what you have to do is you have to go to a company or you have to go to the bank. Now if you go to the bank and if you ask money, they will of course ask for certain documents, and with that they will charge interest on it. So you can't just take the money. If you take, we'll say 5,000 rupees, you'll have to pay more, what is called the interest. So now what the interest means, that is charged per year. The banks charge interest per year. Now we'll take a typical sum. Calculate the simple interest for 1,200 rupees for 3 years at 6% per annum. Now this is the typical sum. Now what if a person is borrowing 1,200 rupees from a bank, and for 3 years, he has to pay it for 3 years, and the bank is charging 6% interest per year. The bank charges interest per year. So first of all we have to find out how to find the simple interest. There is a simple formula for simple interest. Simple interest is equal to PTR over 100. Now I told you, you should maintain a formula book where you can write down all the formulas and memorize them. Then it will be easy for you all. So otherwise you will have to refer to the books and find out where you wrote the formula and you will forget. So write this immediately onto your formula book. Now what does P stand? P means the amount of money, that is principal, it is called principal. P is equal to 1,200 rupees, principal. And T is equal to time. Time is 3 years, and R is equal to rate, that is 6%. PTR, P means the amount of money you borrow, T is the time, 3 years, and R is 6%. Now banks charge interest per annum. Per annum means, is a very important word. Per annum means per year. So you have to pay interest for the year. Now we just apply the formula and get the answer. Now that is 1,200 into 3 into 6 divided by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So the answer is 18 into 12. 216. So the interest is equal to 216 rupees. So the person who has borrowed the money, 1,200 rupees, after 3 years he had to pay the interest of 216 rupees. So total amount he had to pay is called amount. Amount means principal plus interest. That is equal to 1,200 plus 216, that is equal to 1,416. 1,416. So he had to pay in total 1,416 to settle the loan. We will take another example. Ranjit invests a sum of 20,000 rupees in a bank which pays an interest of 18% for 2 years and 6 months, 2.5 years. How much will he get altogether at the end of 2.5 years? So we apply the formula SI is equal to PTR over 100. Over 100. And we know that P is equal to 20,000 rupees and T is equal to 2.5 months, 2.5 years, and rate is equal to 18. So PTR over 100, that is equal to 20,000 into 2.5 into 18 over 100. Now 0, 0, 0, 0. So that will be 200 into, make the imperfection, 5 upon 2 into 18. So 2 and 18 cancel, 9. So 9 for the 45. 45 into 200. That is equal to 9. That is equal to 9,000. So interest will be equal to 9,000 rupees. So how much will he get altogether? So he will be getting at the end of 2.5 years, altogether he will get 20,000 plus 9,000. That is equal to 29,000 rupees. At the end of that, interest is 9,000, his capital is 20,000, 20,000 plus 9,000 is 29,000 rupees. We'll take one more last example. Look at this. A person borrows 120,000 rupees from a bank, which charges an interest of 12% per annum, simple interest. How much will he get at the end of 2 years? So here straight away we apply the formula SI equals PTRO 100. So P is equal to 120,000 rupees, T is equal to 2 years, rate is equal to 12. So simply we apply the formula, that is equal to 120,000 into 2 into 12 upon 100. Or not. That is equal to 24. So 24 into 1200. Over. So that is equal to 28,800 rupees. So interest after 2 years will be 28,800 rupees. So total we getting, amount is equal to 120,000 plus 28,800. That is equal to 148,800 rupees. So I'll go to sum again. A person borrows 120,000 from a bank which charges interest of 12% per annum. How much will he get at the end of 2 years? So formula is say equals PTR over 100, P is equal to 120,000, T is equal to 2 years, R is equal to 12. So we just directly apply the formula 120,000 into 2 into 12 upon 100. Cancel 0, 0. So 1,200 into 24. 1,200 into 24, that will be equal to 28,800. So 28,800 is the interest. So the amount he will be receiving at the end of 2 years will be 120,000 plus 28,800. Be careful, you can write down and add. So that will be equal to 148,800. So the amount that he will be giving at the end of 2 years will be 148,800. So these are all for today, children, on simple interest. Hope we'll meet next time in the next class. Hope you'll subscribe and ring the bell.